In this video, I'll show you how to build a funnel from scratch using GoHighLevel in just a few minutes, even if you've never used the editor before. By the end, you'll feel like a pro, and if you stick around, I'll also share some of our top performing funnel templates to help you get started even faster. Let's start building a funnel. First, click on New Funnel. Let's begin by naming our funnel and clicking Create. Once your funnel is created, the next step is to add your pages. Let's start with the first one by adding a page name and creating the funnel step. Now that the step is created, let's move on to a simple hack that lets you build funnels with just a few clicks. When you click the plus button to add a section, you'll see an option for pre-built sections. This is where things get exciting. Here, you'll find fully designed sections that you can instantly add to your funnel. Simply choose the section you want, and it's ready to go. For example, let's add a pre-built section to our funnel. As you can see, these sections are professionally designed and can be added with just one click. For example, let's click on the header section to pick a pre-built header section to add it. After the header, if you want to add another section, like a testimonial, simply go back to the pre-built sections and choose the testimonial design you like. Let's say you want to showcase your product pricing. You can select a product section from the pre-built options and it'll be instantly added to your funnel. You can even add an FAQ section, and finally, we'll add a footer to complete the funnel. Boom! We've just built a fully functional, high-converting funnel in just a few minutes. Now all that's left is to add your copy, images, and text to these sections, and your funnel is ready to launch. Let's take a look at the funnel we've just created. You can see it's a beautifully designed landing page, and it only took a few clicks to set up. The pre-built sections make building funnels incredibly fast and easy. Now you just add your copy and graphics to customize it as you want. As promised at the start of this video, I've got a gift for you. Our highest converting funnel templates. You'll find a link in the description where you can download these templates and start building your funnels even faster. With pre-built sections, you might have to decide which sections to use, but with our GoHighLevel funnel templates, everything is already perfectly organized and optimized for high conversions. All you need to do is customize the text and images, and your funnel will be good to go. Click the link in the description to grab your free funnel templates and start building your funnels in minutes with GoHighLevel. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more valuable content. Thank you so much for watching.